Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Carrie here. Today I'm going to be doing my winter update makeup everyday look, you want to call it. I really don't know. But so yeah, I just went a little natural today. I was gonna do a whole video like eyeshadow, the whole shebang, but I messed up, so I went with this video because I did film a hair video too. So I hope you guys like that video and this video. So share this video, subscribe, like, and comment. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Glitter or makeup on my eyes because I was doing another video, but I was doing eyeliner, and the eyeliner, you know where's the story going when it comes to eyeliner or doing a cut crease. Y'all know. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a makeup routine, my everyday makeup routine for winter. So I'm gonna do my eyes again because I messed up. So I'm just gonna be taking the Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the color Light Ivory. But yeah, it's supposed to look a little white. So now I'm going to be using two foundations, and I'm looking for my other one. Alright, so I already put primer on. It was the NYX Shine Killer. Now the two foundations that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Foundation in 209 Caramel Beige and 210 Classic Tan. Yes, I got a mixed foundation. Alright guys, no, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It's my favorite one, and it smells like chocolate. And this really doesn't give me like a harsh line, so I like using this to just bronze up a little bit because it's not really that dark to me. It's like a natural look to me. Now I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer and do the same thing I just did with the Chocolate Soleil. For blush, I'm going to be using the Morphe palette, and I'm going to Driven just because it's subtle with highlight. Blend that in a little bit. Now I'm going into my favorite highlighter, Wet n Wild. It's called Golden Flower Crown. And it looks like this. You're gonna spray your face. Like I said, always take a shower with your setting spray, you'll be good. Alright, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. This is my natural look. I did go with the lip color that I told you guys about, and then I put Fenty gloss. Guys, I love Fenty Beauty. Like, Rihanna did her thing, and I only have like 3 Fenty Beauty stuff. Like, I still don't have her, like, all her lip paint. I haven't got it yet. Like, every time I go to Sephora, there's no more Fenty Beauty stuff, and I'm dying to get her foundation, her primer, her other gloss, the other stuff that she has out, her highlighter. I never got it because they're always out. Like, Fenty Beauty, y'all want to help us this out? Because my Sephora never has shit. But yeah, this is a finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. So yeah, subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, sister, brother, whoever.